Hello everyone, my name is Susim Rupaheti from Batch 35C. So for the project of mobile application development, I have created an app which is called Recell Bazar. Basically, Recell Bazar is an second-hand marketplace for smartphones. So this is the onboarding screen which have some details of the application. Now let's get started by creating a new account. There you go, the registration has been successful. Now let's get into the dashboard by logging that account. So my home page consists of some search bar and some notification with the categorical fields as well as some cards which can be used for monetization later, as well as the items which has been listed by the users as well as approved by the admin. Now let's check the search filter first. Let's search for Poco phones, which actually search for the Poco phones. Now let's use the pills for iPhones. See, the iPhones are filtered out by the pills. So talking about the items, this dashboard consists of several items which has been only approved by the admin. Now let's check this iPhone 14. So the details of the iPhone 14 has been displayed on this screen, which is iPhone 14. It shows the brand name, it shows the price, it shows the condition of screen, battery, camera, and as well as the charger. Um, so description is given as well with the model here. Talking about the cart, if the item is added to cart, the card simply shows the item which has been added to cart by the user. Since the user has added three items on the card whose total price will be something like this. So we can also remove the item from the card screen by removing it. And then talking about the selling screen, this screen consists of items which has been listed by that particular user. So this user has listed five items. Among them, one is approved, two are sold, and two are rejected. So this is the main POS of mine, as the admin is directly related to all the item listings. So let's say add a new item here. Let's add a Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Some questions like have has a phone ever been liquid damage? Does the device switch on? So something like this. Is there a problem with camera? No. Are your speakers, flashlight, or microphone working? Yes. Yes. Then comes the upload photo item. Let's choose from the gallery. We also have the option of opening camera. Let's choose this phone. Let's say this is test phone and then submit. There you go, the item has been posted successfully. It won't come in the dashboard until the user or the admin approves the item. So let's see the status of that particular item which is pending. So talking about the profile section, it has the user name, the items which has been listed by the users. So these users sold items are two, listed six, and the two items are in cart. So it also has some theme changing buttons like the dark mode themes the language. So let's update the user's profile. Let's say I want to change my name from Susim to Susim Edited. There you go. My name has been changed successfully. We can also change the password from here. So now let's buy an item. Let's say I want to buy this phone. I will click the book now, add a location, add a particular date for the appointment, and finish the booking. It will redirect us to the payment through Stripe. So I will be using the card. So let's pay the amount. So see, the payment has been successful. Once the payment is successful, it will give the hint to the admin. Then he or she will claim the item. So talking about the notification, it will make the users know about the status of their iPhone, of their phones. Here, your iPhone 14 has been sold. Simply, it tells us about the status of the items which the user have listed. It also has the notification which will be coming as a bulk from admin panel. So the working mechanism of the app is same. The UI also is same as well. There will be little bit changes like the grid view of these items. The cart item is same as well as the selling screen, as well as the profile screen. So one more thing about my application is the user is unable to buy or buy his or her own product. They can't also add the item to the cart. So moving towards the cache memory, I've used Hive as a local storage for catching some images. So here you can see the profile image, which is basically fetched through online. Let's turn off the Wi-Fi for now. Even if we turn off the Wi-Fi, due to cached memory, the profile image of user is simply loaded. This works same as for the item as well. So talking about the sensor, I have integrated two sensor for now, which is light sensor at first. So if we turn on the auto mode of our application and cover the sensor with our palm, it will simply turn on the black theme mode. And let's say if we get exposed to a much brighter place, then it will simply turn on the light mode. So now moving towards the next sensor, which is fingerprint sensor. Let's register the fingerprint now. For that, we have to type the password of that particular account and register our fingerprint. And we tap in the login with fingerprint button and simply place the fingerprint of ours. It will simply log in towards our dashboard screen. Testing, view model testing, as well as the widget testing. So let's talk about the widget testing first. I have implemented the widget testing for cart as well as the onboarding screen and payment screen. Um, it simply loads the text which is present in that particular screen, and if it finds that particular text, then the test passes. And moving towards the view model screen, I've tested view model of item as well as the payment and auth as well. So let's run the test cases. So here is the use case testing of auth as well as the view model testing. So for now, I have simply failed two cases so that the test case is valid. So here you go, 81 test case passes, whereas test case fails.